Alright, 3.1, solving problems with fractions. So we're going to do a couple of try these examples. So 1 divided by 7/8. Well, when we're dividing by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this is the same as 1 times 8 over 7, which is 8 over 7. This one is 3/4 divided by 1/8. That's the same as 3/4 multiplied by the reciprocal. So multiplied by 8 over 1, which gives us 24 over 4. So 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 1 is 4. And this reduces to 6. Alright, 3/8 plus 1/16. Well, we need to get a common denominator, so we're going to multiply this by 2 and this by 2 to get a common denominator of 16. So this becomes 6 over 16, plus 1 over 16, which gives us a total of 7/16. And the final 1/4 times 1/7, well, you just multiply straight across, so it's 7 over 32. Katie's a cabinet maker. A client wants her to build this cabinet, which is with equally spaced shelves. She plans to use 3/4 inch birch plywood. How far apart are the shelves from the bottom of the shelf to the top of the next? Well, the first step here, there's a diagram on the left here. How many boards will Katie need to build the top, the bottom, and the shelves? Well, she needs 6 boards. If each board is 3/4 inch thick, what is the total thickness of these boards? Well, 6 times 3/4 inch. 6 is the same as 6 over 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 over 4 inches. And that reduces to 4.5 inches. Alright, I'm just going to backtrack a little bit. You're probably wondering, where did I get 6 boards here? Well, here's one board, there's a second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, okay? And you could, put your little figurines on top of the shelves or whatever. So she needs 6 boards. Alright, how much of the cabinet height is left for the space between the boards? Well, if the entire thing is supposed to be 7 feet 3 inches, and we're subtracting that 4.5 inches, well, we're left with 82.5 inches. And I'll show you how I get there. So first thing we need to do is convert 7 feet 3 inches. So 7 times 12, because there's 12 inches in 1 foot, is, what do we got? 84. And 84 plus that 3 inches gives us 87 inches. So we're going to go 87 inches minus that 4.5 inches gives us the 82.5 inches in total. How many spaces are there in between the boards? Well, you can just look at and go, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces in between the boards. And how far apart should Katie put the shelf? Well, this part is we take our 82.5 inches, we divide it by how many spaces? 5 spaces, and we get 16.5 inches apart. Example number 1. Caden's a baker. He cuts 14.5 inch roll of dough into 1 1/4 slices for cinnamon buns. So you can draw a picture here. The entire thing's 14.5 inches. And he's going in 1 1/4 inch slices. Okay, just to visualize it. How many buns can you make from one roll? Well, we're taking a 14.5 inches, and you need to divide it by the 1 1/4. Okay. So 14.5 divided by 1 1/4. Well, let's convert these to improper fractions. So the number of buns, 14.5, is the same thing as 29 over 2. So you go 14 times 2 and add it to 1. You're going to divide that by 5 over 4. So on your calculator you can punch that in, And you should get 29 over 2 divided by 5 over 4 is the same thing as 29 over 2 multiplied by 4/5, which gives us 116 over 10, which gives us 11 and 6/10. So Caden can make 11 whole buns, and that's a horrible thing right there. Sorry, let me try that again. 6/10. So you can make 11 whole buns and 6/10 of another bun. You can write that in here, 11 whole buns. 6/10 also converts to 5 over 3, so that's the same as that. Okay, a jack raises a car 3/16 of an inch for each stroke of the lever. So how many strokes are needed to raise a car 1.5 inches? Write 1.5 inches using a denominator of 16. So let's convert this to mixed number. Alright, so 1, we got to change half into 16ths. So what do we multiply 6 by to get to, or sorry, 2 by to get to 16? Well, you multiply it by 8, so you need to do that to the top as well. So you get 8/16. Let's see if I can write this a little bit neater for you guys. It's pretty sloppy. So 1 and 8/16. And as an improper fraction, it would be 16 plus 8, which is 24 over 16. So then we take our 24 over 16 and we divide it by 3/16, and it'll be 8. So 8 pumps of the jack are needed to raise it 1.5 inches. How can you use multiplication to check your answer? Well, 3 over 16 times 3 over 16 multiplied by the 8 strokes will give us 24 over 16, which gives us 1.5, which is what we started with.